Unboxing the Polylok 525 commercial filter. She's a big one. This here is a commercial filter that we're going to be installing here at the Pharmacia Italian restaurant in Cornelia, Georgia. This is a Polylok product, and we're about to stick it in place. So this is after installation. This is a commercial filter, much like the residential filter, just much larger. Let's see, you can pull it out. And it allows the fluid to pass through, but catches the tiny little particles and prevents them from going out into the drain field, or in this case, the city sewer.